Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to go over how to change the oil on an SS Camaro from 2010 to 2015. So we're going to jump right into this video. We're going to open the door here. We're going to pop the hood first off. To do that, we simply need to go under the center of the dash, hit the hood release right there. Go ahead and close our door. We don't need that open. And then we're going to fiddle around in here. We're going to find the hood release, which is, you really can't see, but it's right there. We're going to push it toward the driver's side, and that'll allow us to lift the hood up. Okay, so now once your hood is up, we're going to look at the oil weight that it takes, which of course is 5W30. We're going to go ahead, we're going to take this cap off, and we're going to leave it off. We can just set it over here. That'll help it drain faster. Then you're going to need a way to get the vehicle up off the ground. Now I'm fortunate enough to have a 2-post lift. Obviously jack stands, ramps, anything that will let you get under there will work. I'm going to, of course, use the lift, A, because it's more convenient, and B, it'll let you guys see what I'm doing. Now we're under the car. We are looking toward the front of the car, okay? You're going to see your oil filter right here. Now keep in mind, mine is actually a little bit lower than yours will be because I have an aftermarket oil cooler. Just kind of ignore that, not a big deal. What we're going to do is look for the drain plug. So we're actually going to roll our drain pan forward a bit. I'm going to bring you guys over here, and you're going to see that the drain plug is right there, okay? It's a 15 millimeter wrench or socket to get on there, and we'll crack that baby free. Then obviously we need to get this drain pan up in position. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew this drain plug and try not to cover myself in very hot oil. If I can do my best to not do that. Perfect. Then once that starts draining a little bit, we'll go ahead and drop the oil filter. Now we can go ahead and move our drain pan a little bit since we're starting to reduce flow here, and I can go ahead, get this oil filter off. Man, that thing is hot. Woo! Glad I got gloves on, guys. Yikes. Really should have let this cool down a little bit more, but you know, details. We'll let that drain a little bit, then I'll take the oil filter off. That's drip dried a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and carefully, with the glove on, get this filter off. Losing a lot more oil, of course, but that's, it's okay. Forgot to turn the camera on, but we got the filter the rest of the way off. That's pretty self-explanatory. We're gonna let everything continue to drip out, and then we'll put everything back together. While we wait, I'm gonna go ahead and fill the oil filter. Obviously, some people don't like to do this, some people do. You can decide accordingly, but I do like to fill them. Just a little bit anyway, get the pleats wet. Whether you fill the filter or not, make sure you take a dab of oil and lubricate the gasket on the filter. That is definitely necessary either way. Now we'll go ahead, I'm actually gonna lower this drain pan a little bit, put the new filter in place. This is a different brand, in case you were wondering. I just splashed oil everywhere. Okay, and then make sure you don't over tighten it. However, make sure you also don't under tighten it. You definitely don't want that to happen because that will leak all of the oil out of your engine. Okay, wipe that down a little bit, and we'll go ahead and we'll get our drain plug back in. We do have a slight stream of oil, but I'm not too awfully concerned. Go ahead and put the drain plug back in. We're talking fractions of an ounce of oil left in that pan, so good enough for me. You can wait longer if you so desire. Again, 15 millimeter. Don't kill it. Make sure you don't over tighten this, or you could strip your drain pan. Again, make sure you don't under tighten it. I know that that's talking out of both sides of my mouth, but deal with it. Okay, now you are going to put in 8 quarts of the good stuff. That is going to be an entire one of these and plus another one. I'm not going to try to convince you of what brand of oil to use. I just care that you do change your oil. You can use whatever you want. Do your own research. I also will mention quickly, in case you are somehow counting how much I'm putting in, I have to do 8.75 quarts because of the oil cooler that I added on this, but you will be doing 8 assuming your car is stock. So if you've added aftermarket accessories, obviously you got to learn what your quantity is. I'm gonna have to leave that one up to you. So that's 5. We got to do 3.75 more out of this one. So a nice trick, which I didn't do, is to mark the bottle. But I'm just gonna eyeball it because that'll probably be good enough. We're gonna go ahead, put our cap back on, bring our filter to the side. And then what I'm gonna do, just because I haven't filled this with the cooler too many times, is I'm gonna check my oil level. To be honest, if you've done an oil change in your car multiple times, you can pretty much get away without doing the level check, as long as you know you put the right amount in there, but you know, it never hurts to make sure, obviously. And there you go. Obviously you want to start the car up, recheck your oil level, but other than that, pretty straightforward, pretty easy on these cars. Not a hard job at all, so don't be scared to do it. You can do it in your own driveway at home, save yourself a couple bucks, make sure that it's done right, make sure it has the oil you want in it, blah, blah, blah. So anyways, guys, as always, thanks for watching. God bless America, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.